Palm Springs was one of Diana's bucket list locations, and it did not disappoint. She really wanted to see her favorite type of house, which is mid-century modern. So we got an app that mapped out all the houses, and we drove from house to house, and here's a sampling of what we saw. Seeking out artwork is one of our favorite things to do, and Palm Springs had a ton of it. You'll see that there's usually a theme within the town. In this case, Diana sought out all of these benches that were all hand-painted by local artists. And there were also some pretty good, cool sculptures, as well as some transformer boxes, which we've seen in other cities. And Palm Springs had their own spin on it. Now there's also a Walk of Fame, the Avenue of the Stars of all the people that were famous that lived in Palm Springs. So here's just a small sampling of a few that you may recognize. As you can see, wind power is really popular in this area. We visited Tahquitz Canyon, which allows you entry. It's owned by the Agua Caliente local Native Americans. And it was a beautiful hike to a waterfall at the end of the trail. And here is what we saw. stayed in a regional park near Indio, California, called Lake Kahila Veterans Regional Park. It was had a beautiful lake and gave us great access to Palm Springs and Joshua Tree National Park. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and give us a like. See you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.